Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 2, depreciation account of standard 11 commerce subject account. So here today we will see one more sum where we are going to see two machines together, and here from that one machine is going to sold at a loss, and the adjustment entry and machine account regarding this that we will see. Now let's see illustration number 11. Let's see illustration number 11. In the books of Sanket Enterprise, machine account has balance of 1,40,000 on 1/4/12. So here there is a book value of the machine on 1/4/12. This machine was purchased before 3 years, that is 1/4/9, and the second machine was purchased on 1/1/14 for 1,10,000 and installation expense was 10,000. So company provide annual depreciation at the rate of 10% under the straight line method. So here the book value of the first machine is given, but we have to find out cost price as this is the straight line method, and in the straight line method we have to calculate depreciation on the cost price. So for the first machine, let's calculate the cost price. So for calculating cost price, working not. So here, to calculate the cost price, we have to assume, let's say, assume cost price of first machine is 100. Now, this machine was purchased on 1/4/9, and now the book value of that machine we have to find out, and for that we have to deduct the depreciation for the 3 year, and the depreciation for the 3 year at the rate of 10% will be 10 into 3, so that is going to be 30. So 70 will be the book value as on 1/4/12. So from that we are able to find out the cost price of the machine. So now we can see that right now the book value of the machine is 1,40,000. So here we can keep like this, that if the 70 is book value of machine, then cost is how much? 100 is cost price. So if right now the book value of the machine is 1,40,000, then how much the cost will be? So for that 1,40,000 into 100 upon 70. So this will be 2 lakh. So 2 lakh is the cost price of the machine, and now as we know that we are calculating the depreciation at 10% straight line. So here we can see that the annual depreciation will be 20,000 at the rate of 10%. So that is finished. Now let's prepare the working note for the depreciation of the first machine as well as second machine. So here let's say first machine. So first machine we have on 1/4/12. The book value of the first machine is how much? So it is the 1,40,000 that is already given to us in the sum. So that is 1,40,000 on 1/4/12 book value of machine, and this is the first machine. Now we have to calculate depreciation. So for the calculating depreciation, as we know from 1/4/12, the accounting year will be ending on 31st 3/13, and on that day we have to provide for depreciation, and the depreciation on 2 lakh it was 20,000. So we have to deduct the 20,000 for the first year. So after that the book value will be 1,20,000 on 1/4/13 book value of first machine. So that will be now after 1/4/13 the another machine was purchased on before ending the second year. Second year will be ending on 31st 3 314. And before that, then another machine was purchased on 1/1/14. So that was the purchase of second machine. And purchase of second machine. And to find out the cost, we have to add 1,10,000 and 10,000. 1,10,000 plus 10,000. So that will be 1,20,000 for the second machine. So this is the second machine was purchased on 1/1/14. So for that we have to this year is going to end on 31st/3/14. So for the first machine we have to calculate the depreciation for the whole year, and for the second machine we have to calculate the depreciation for only 3 months, as it is purchased on 1/4/14. So the machine is used in the business for 3 months only. So for that we have to calculate depreciation only for 3 months. So let's calculate both of the depreciation. So on 31st/3/14 depreciation. So here we have used this machine for the whole year. So for that we are going to write down the 20,000, and for the second machine it is 1,20,000. At the rate of 10% it will be 12,000. But we haven't used the machine for the 12 months. We just have used for the 3 months. So that depreciation will be 3,000 only. So here for the second machine we have to provide depreciation only 3,000, as we have used that machine only for the 3 months. And total of this depreciation for the second year will be 23,000. Total of the first year will be 20,000. So here for the first year we are going to provide depreciation 20,000. For the second year 23,000. Now let's prepare the working note for the third year. Before that, let's make the book value of the machine. So first machine book value will be 1 lakh, and for the second machine the book value will be 1,17,000. This is the book value at the end of the second year. So that will be on 1/4/14 book value of both machines. Okay. Now at the end of the third year, so that year will be ending on 31st/3/15, and depreciation will be for the first machine, as we know, it is the 20,000, and for the second machine we already calculated it was the 12,000, as the second machine is used whole year. So we have to provide a depreciation for the whole year, and it will be 12,000. So here, as we know, it is the 80,000 book value, and here it is the 1,05,000. So now this is the end of the third year, and we have to sell the first machine as it is given in the sum. That first machine was sold on 31st/3/15. So here we are on the 31st/3/15, and on 31st/3/15 the 25% loss on book value. So we have to calculate loss on this, and that loss minus loss 25% of book value. So that will be 80,000 into 25%. So that will be 20,000 loss. And our selling price of the machine is 60,000. So this is the selling price, and this amount we are going to receive through bank, and this is the loss on sale of the machine, and this is the balance of our machine account. So at the end of the third year we will be having the balance of the machine account will be 1,05,000, and total depreciation of the third year will be 32,000. So here depreciation for the first year will be 20,000, for the second year it will be 23,000, for the third year it will be 32,000, and balance of the asset account at the end of the third year will be 1,05,000, and this is the selling price of the machine. So this amount we are going to get by the bank, and this is the loss to the business. So this will be debited to profit and loss account. Students, you may note down this, then we are going to prepare machine account. Let's prepare the machine account in the ledger of Sanket Enterprise. So here, very first on 1/4/12, there is a balance of machine account and that balance is 1,40,000. So that will be written on the debit side of the machine account on 1/4/12 to balance brought down and the amount is 1,40,000. And at the end of the first year, the depreciation was 20,000. We have already calculated, and that will be on 31st 3/30 by depreciation account. And here, the first year is going to be finished, so we have to close the machine account. So here 1,40,000 from 1,40,000. If we are going to deduct 20,000, the balance of the machine account will be 1,20,000. So that will be on the 31st 3/30 by balance that we are going to carry down. For the next year, the opening balance of the machine account will be on 1/4/30 and the balance will be to balance brought down and the amount will be 1,20,000. Then, before providing depreciation, on 1/1/14, the new machine was purchased, and for that, to bank account and to cash account. So here on 1/1/14, the new machine was purchased, and the price was recorded by bank account. It was 1,10,000 and cash paid of rupees 10,000. And at the end of the second year, we have provided for the depreciation in the working note. It is on 31st 3/14 by depreciation account. And it was for the two machines. For the first machine, it was 20,000 as it is straight line method, and for the second machine, it is 3,000 only for 3 months. For the second machine, we have provided depreciation only for 3 months, that is 3,000. So total depreciation will be 23,000. Now, let's close the machine account. And the total of the machine account is 2,40,000. So let's continue with this other side, 2,40,000. If we are going to deduct from 2,40,000, 23,000, the balance will be 2,17,000. So here on 31st 3/14 by balance carried down. So this is the balance. This balance is going to continue to the next year, and next year will be on 1/4/14, and the balance of the machine account will be 2,17,000. Balance brought down, and it will be 2,17,000. And now at the end of the third year, we are going to provide the depreciation for the both machines. That will be on 31st 3/15, and total depreciation we already calculated by depreciation account. For the first machine, it is 20,000, and for the second machine, as it is used for the whole year, 12,000. So total depreciation will be 32,000. So now, after the end of the third year, the first machine is going to be sold, and for that we are going to receive the money in the bank because by bank account, and the amount that we have received is 60,000, and the loss that is incurred at the sale of the machine, that is the on 31st 3/15 by profit and loss account. So here it is a loss of rupees 20,000. So now, after that, we have to find out the balance of the machine account debt. Let's see. Here 2,17,000. That 2,17,000 we are going to carry forward to the credit side 2,17,000. From 2,17,000, if we are going to deduct 32,000, 60,000 and 20,000, the balancing amount will be 1,05,000. So here this is the balance of the machine account at 31st/3/15 by balance carried down. So this is the balance, and this balance is for the first machine, as this balance is for the second machine, as first machine is sold. So students, you may note down this in your notebook. Thank you for the watching this video.